Welcome to another Quick Flicks video tutorial by bbdirectleads.com. bbdirect, your source for quality mailing list data and exceptional customer service. Thanks for viewing our Quick Flicks video tutorial. In this particular video we're going to show you how to run a radius geography. We have account already open in the consumer database and we have the geography tab selected, so we look for radius, and here it is right here, select radius. And on the radius page we have a couple of choices. We can either choose by radiating out by miles, we can also choose by quantity. So if we wanted all the people in a 5-mile radius, we would choose the miles. If we wanted to say, let's take all the closest 5,000 people from a particular centroid, we can use the quantity button. But let's leave it at miles for starters. For starters, if we'd like, we can use the radius or the radii centroid. We can start with a zip code, and the centroid of that zip code would be in the fairly in the center of that zip code. We can also narrow it down a little closer to entering a zip plus carrier route. Of course, we'd have to know the carrier route in order to do so. We could also enter in a zip plus 4, and we can also enter in a latitude longitude. So with a zip code, all we would need is to enter in the zip code right here and put in our 5-mile radius. Here, of course, we would want to enter the zip code, plug in the carrier route. If we didn't know the carrier route, we have this get carrier route feature here where you could plug in an address and it'll give you the carrier route within that address, or that address resides, and use that as a centroid, a little more focused centroid. For a smaller radius, maybe 3 or 5 miles, it's good to get a smaller geography like a carrier route as a starting point. If you're going out 40 miles or 50 miles, using a zip code as a centroid is perfectly fine. For something small like 3 or 2 or 1 miles, the latitude longitude is probably the best feature. Here you'd press the get latitude longitude and it would give you the option to enter in as an address of a location, and then based on that address it'll automatically populate your latitude longitude. And of course then once the latitude longitude or whatever centroid geography you're going to use, you enter in the miles or quantity and complete your order. You can add then your your demographics and what have you to filter the best audience for your campaign. If you did not want to cross state boundaries, of course you can select at the do not cross state boundary lines here. Otherwise it will cross a state boundary if you're bordering a state. Okay, that's very good. That's all I could show you today. Thank you so much for watching, and give us a call if we can help further. Thank you so much. Look forward to working with you. Thanks for viewing another Quick Flicks training video brought to you by your friends at bbdirect. For further assistance, give us a call at 866-501-6273.